Seeds we're going to be sowing to get those beautiful Sweet Williams, and although I'm saying sow them when they're in flower, you've basically got right the way through till July, so from late May till early July. The traditional way would be to sow them in a little bit of a plot in the ground, so if you've got a little bit of space in your veg garden, so you only need a very short drill of these. I'm not putting a string line down because it's only a couple of feet long, so just take that about 1/2 inch deep like that. Just got some water here, and I'm just going to water along the bottom of that drill so that the soil is going to be nice and moist when the seeds come in contact with it. And we're just going to sow thinly along that row, so you only need a pinch of seed really, and then little black angular seed like that, and then just sprinkle those thinly. Now you can't see those, can you, because it's black seed on dark soil, but you've got to trust me, I am sowing them really thinly. Keep these cool and in the fridge, of course. We can keep the spare seeds for next year. And then literally I'm just going to fill that in with some soil. If you've got them in your garden already, they very often will self-seed anyway, and just then give them a little tap down. And maybe this evening when it's cooler, I'll just water over those with a fine rose, just to keep that soil moist until those seeds germinate. And what we do when they're grown and are maybe a couple of inches tall, we then lift them carefully, do it on a cooler day or in the evening, so we're looking in a month's time, and then we can transplant them out in the garden to grow on, ready for next year. Alternatively, you can sow them in a little pot or tray like this. So I've just got a small seed tray here with some multi-purpose seed sowing compost on there. And again, I'm just going to get a pinch of seed, and I'm just going to sow that evenly over there. So again, not too thickly. I'm not looking for thousands of plants. I just want a couple of dozen plants to be able to grow out into the garden. And then what we do with those is just cover up with a little bit of compost. So it's a thin layer of compost just sprinkled over, just to keep those seeds in the dark, but also keep them moist. Just level it out. So maybe 1/4 inch, 4 or 5 millimeters. Water that, and then keep that outside somewhere in the shade. On a hot day like this, it will dry out really quickly. So somewhere where the sun isn't going to get it, keep it moist. And again, they will germinate in a matter of a couple of weeks at the most. And then when they're nice little seedlings, we can transplant them into pots or trays and grow them on. And the idea is we grow them on so that we get a good sized plant for about September, October, and then they will be planted into the position where you want them to flower next year. So it's what we call a biennial. You sow the seed 1 year and grow the plant, and then in the second season it flowers for us. So a bit of patience, but this time next year, if you sow your seeds now, you'll have beautiful Sweet Williams just like those. And don't forget, all the videos that we've done you can find on YouTube, where you can subscribe for free, and also that's where you'll find our weekly podcasts. We'll be back again in the garden next week, so we'll see you then. Bye.